Hi friend, welcome back to Chim Sneaker. So today I'm gonna bring to you a legendary combo from Vans. So this one and this one. Okay, so first let's have a look. Actually, I'm craving for this kind of model for so long, but the reason why it stopped me from purchasing this sneaker is that because I'm a huge fan of like sale, and this model I actually so rarely see on the sale because they are so iconic. So that's the reason why it took me so long until that I first have my hand on this model. So here in front of you guys is the Van Old School black and white, the legendary sneaker from Van, and also the iconic one whenever you mention Vans. And the second items that I want to show you today is the sling bag with the iconic Van stripe. I believe that is called the Zaz stripe. So today we will check out the two items, this one and this one. So firstly is the Van Old School black and white. I have in my hand the size 8.51, which is I think one of the most popular size for male. And this sneaker in my hand is basically super iconic Vans. As you can see, it's how like the upper made by black fabric with very thick cushioning at the collar, and there are white stitching which stand out a lot on the black background. Two iconic Zaz stripe go along both sides of the sneaker, and this sneaker in fact looks super elegant and stylish whenever you're wearing any type of streetwear clothing. And it has a red stamp at the heel of the sneaker. The outsole of it has the waffle outsole, and you can see clearly from here that this sneaker has a very stiff and stable outsole, and in fact I think it's quite heavy comparing to some kind of sportwear sneaker, but it helps you increase your stability whenever walking. And one interesting feature and one noticeable feature that you should be beware of is that the insole of this sneaker is unremovable. And usually whenever mentioning this type of sneaker, we can always have an image in our mind that some people who are big fan of it love seeing this sneaker being worn out, and they love wearing the very sneaker, the very old one. Someone also like to like push the back of the sneaker down, and they use it just like a mueller. And so that I believe that is called the bitten sneaker, and the Van wear love the sneaker to be bitten. Okay, so here the first item and the very iconic one from Vans, as we all know. So the second item I want to show to you is the Van sling bag. This model actually I think quite pricey comparing to the size of it. I believe that it's worth around $40 from this, and even though on sale it's also around like $30 or $35, which is quite expensive for just a small sling bag like this. However, let's check out the quality. So the firstly and the noticeable one that you can notice that it has a very iconic stripe here. The stitching is also very clean. The stitching is also very clean, and it has a Van logo here. So there are some pockets here. So this is the first pocket, and there are like some item here, yeah, and another replaceable string that you can use to replace to the string attached to this part of the sling bag. And here in the main pocket, we have another sub pocket here with the mesh layer. So I think it's used to hold your phone, and this is just a quite a small one, so you just can put some simple item just like a mini notebook or like some of your cosmetic item or something like that, very small. However, because it has the styling which is very clean and fit with the sneaker, so I still decide to purchase it. Okay, so that's my first impressions and review of the two iconic items, the Van Old School black and white, the legendary one, and the Van Slingback Old School with the very iconic look. So hope you enjoy my video. Do you like to purchase this combo? Let's share in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my channel. Bye bye.